Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During major festivals or bye-bye events, Hakka people break out the fermented tofu pork. Fermented tofu is used to bring out the flavor of the meat. The meat is mixed with fermented tofu, rough miso, rice wine, garlic, and crystallized sugar. The seasoning is then poured over the pork and steamed. The result, a delicious combination similar to Hakka feng rou.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. We're going to talk about food, and I see Leo has something in front of him. 你今天带东西来，对不对？
是的，
这里面是什么东西啊？
先让你闻味道就好。
好，拿过来。
什么味道？
我感觉好像跟豆腐乳有点关系耶。
它就是豆腐乳啦，
就是豆腐乳啊
豆腐仪啦。
This is the fermented tofu, actually. It's very popular here in Taiwan, and I guess this is also a Hakka dish. 这也是一个客家的美食之一吗？
这算是。
OK，
对啊，但今天我要介绍的这个东西啊，是用豆腐仪去做的东西。
哦，所以它不只是豆腐乳在里面。
对。
Okay, it looks like just the fermented tofu, but there's more to it. That's what Leo is saying. 所以它里面到底是什么？
我们的名字我先教，叫做豆腐仪竹肉。
豆腐仪竹肉 OK， 我来猜一下，豆腐泥就是豆腐乳，
对
，but 里面还有竹肉，
是的，
猪肉嘛，对不对？
对，就猪肉啊。
哦 ，OK， 所以这是豆腐乳里面加猪肉就对了。
是啊，是啊。
They actually add another ingredient to the fermented tofu, and it's pork. So it's the fermented tofu pork. 所以这个到底里面有什么样的材料呢？
里面还会加一些别的东西
，OK，
像是米浆。
米浆，
我们有教过。不是啦，
不是啊，
味噌啦。
哦，味噌，哦 ，miso. Okay, so to prepare this particular jar that he has right here, again, the fermented tofu pork, you have to have not only 豆腐乳 not only the fermented tofu, but also miso. Okay, 就是味噌，
米浆，还有米酒。
米浆跟米酒，又是米了，米酒了，这一次
是米酒，对。
So there's also rice wine.
还有蒜头。
哦，蒜头 ，OK, there's garlic in there, all right, 有蒜头。
还有便当。
便当便桶
不是啊，
加一个便当进去，加不进去了。
便桶就是冰糖。
Oh, crystallized sugar. Okay, so those are some of the ingredients you can find in this dish. All right.
然后把这些调味料就拌一拌之后，就淋在那个三层油上面，然后拿去蒸就好了。
So there you have it, a very delicious dish for you. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.